Okay, so the last video, the time was up, so I had to start over again. Yeah, we were at this paragraph, tell them about yourself. Yeah. So I just told you that I love dancing and I enjoy cooking, learning new things. And then I mentioned that these qualities may be useful or helpful for your organization. And then I mention why, because I can't just state something, I have to support. So I'm mentioning here that my cooking skills has taught me to be more careful about hygiene, so I'm able to educate others about hygiene. My language skills can be useful in case there are doctors and nurses in WaterAid that has limited English skills. These are just things that I'm inventing, so you also have to think what skills do you have and how can they be helpful for the organization. Yeah. And the last thing here, use a proper salutation and closing. I enclose my CV, and if you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact me. I am happy to answer all the questions you might have. I look forward to hearing from you. Yours sincerely, Victoria Björklund. Okay, so this is my example. This is the one I wrote on the board yesterday for those of you who were in class. So I repeat again. The very first priority is to look how should you write a formal letter. There's a video, there are materials here. Once you've done that, you click on WaterAid in India. You can see the task that you should hand in latest on Friday. Yeah, you should have written the letter. It doesn't need to be finished, but we're doing the peer reviews on Friday. So I want that you have a draft by Friday. Here's the task. I also wrote some instructions here. Click on the task. You start to write an email to WaterAid, tell them about yourself. That's what I did in my letter. Explain why you wish to aid people in need. You read that in my letter as well. And don't forget to use a correct salutation and a proper closing. So by Friday, you should have a draft. Ett utkast betyder det. So we are not done by Friday, but you should have a text that you can work with and improve. If you have any questions, you can send me an email or you can write something in Classroom and I will try to answer as soon as I have time. Good luck. You can do this by Friday. See you in class well prepared. And I would be very happy to see that everyone comes with their computers and their pens or pencils and papers on time by Friday. Okay? So we start the lesson in time so we can work more efficiently in class. Bye-bye. Good luck.